Hi, Waller ISD family. Did you know every student has an email address that is issued by Waller ISD? Your student's email address follows this format: first name dot last name at wallerbulldogs.net. Our student email is managed by Gmail. Here's how to access student emails. First, log in to your child's Clever. If you do not know how to log into Clever, first visit https://wisd.fyi/access Clever. Once you are logged into Clever, scroll down to the heading Google Apps. Then click on the Gmail icon. A new tab will open with your child's Waller ISD email. Here, your child can send and receive emails from any of their Waller ISD teachers and classmates. To protect our students, this email is restricted to only those within Waller ISD. For more learning resources, visit wallerisd.net or https://wisd.fyi/online family resources.